The power of persuasion. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the art of persuasive writing. It's about crafting words that sell. Copywriters write the text for advertisements, websites, brochures, and more. They know how to capture attention and influence decisions. Good copywriting is clear, concise, and engaging. It speaks directly to the reader's needs and desires. It's the driving force behind successful marketing campaigns. Copywriting is essential for any business that wants to grow. Effective copywriting can increase brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. In today's digital age, where consumers are bombarded with information, the ability to craft compelling copy is more important than ever. The copywriter's craft: guiding actions with words. The role of a copywriter is to guide the reader towards a specific action. This could be anything from making a purchase to signing up for a newsletter. A skilled copywriter understands the target audience and their motivations. They know how to craft messages that resonate and persuade. Copywriting is about more than just stringing words together. It's about understanding human psychology. A good copywriter knows how to tap into the reader's emotions and desires. They translate marketing goals into compelling narratives that resonate with the target audience. Elements of effective copywriting: captivating your audience. Effective copywriting is a blend of art and science. It requires creativity, strategy, and a deep understanding of the target audience. Several key elements contribute to crafting copy that captivates and converts. First and foremost, understanding your audience is paramount. Knowing their needs, desires, and pain points allows you to tailor your message for maximum impact. Clear and concise messaging is crucial. Avoid jargon and complex language that might confuse the reader. Use strong verbs and active voice to make your writing more dynamic and engaging. Headlines are your first impression. Make them count. They should be attention-grabbing, benefit-oriented, and relevant to the content. Focus on the benefits, not just the features. Section 4. Exploring different types of copywriting, from web pages to sales letters. Copywriting encompasses a wide range of formats and styles, each tailored to specific purposes and platforms. Understanding the nuances of each type is crucial for crafting effective copy that resonates with the target audience. Website copywriting focuses on creating engaging and informative content for websites. Sales copywriting is all about persuasion. It's used in sales letters, email campaigns, and landing pages to convince the reader to take a specific action, typically a purchase. Technical copywriting involves explaining complex technical information in a clear and concise way. Creative copywriting focuses on crafting memorable and engaging copy for advertising campaigns, slogans, and branding materials. Section 5. The Copywriting Process: a step-by-step guide to crafting compelling content. The copywriting process is a systematic approach to crafting compelling and persuasive copy. It involves several key stages, each building upon the previous one to ensure a cohesive and effective final product. Research is the foundation of any successful copywriting project. Before putting pen to paper, it's crucial to gather as much information as possible about the target audience, the product or service, and the competitive landscape. Once you have a deep understanding of your target audience and the key selling points of your product or service, it's time to plan your copy. This involves outlining the structure of your copy, developing key messages, and determining the most effective call to action. Writing is where you bring your research and planning to life. Use strong verbs, active voice, and vivid language to create engaging and persuasive copy. Editing and proofreading are essential steps in the copywriting process. Section 6. Honing your copywriting skills. Tips for creating powerful and persuasive copy. Becoming a skilled copywriter takes time, practice, and a willingness to continuously learn and improve. Here are some valuable tips to help you hone your craft and create copy that captivates and converts. Read widely and analyze effective copy. Pay attention to the language, structure, and techniques used in successful advertising campaigns, website copy, and marketing materials. Identify what makes these pieces effective and try to incorporate similar elements into your own writing. Practice consistently and seek feedback. The more you write, the better you'll become. Study the principles of persuasion and consumer psychology. Stay updated on industry trends and best practices. Section 7. Copywriting's impact driving business success through effective communication. In today's competitive business landscape, effective communication is paramount. Copywriting, the art of crafting persuasive and engaging content, plays a pivotal role in driving business success. From attracting new customers to building brand loyalty, compelling copy can make all the difference. Effective copywriting enhances brand visibility and recognition. Well-crafted copy helps businesses stand out from the competition. Copywriting drives conversions and sales. Persuasive copy guides prospects towards taking desired action. Compelling copy builds trust and credibility. When done right, copywriting becomes a powerful tool for building lasting relationships with your target audience.